you mentioned that you have a GoFundMe. How exactly can people reach you to assist?
All right. So on my IG, I try to post stories on Reem and the GoFundMe link. I don't know if you guys can ping it, but it's Tanisha Whittingham. It's my childhood best friend from New York because I was out of technology. And when I get in contact, that was her way of assisting us by setting up a GoFundMe link. So you can access it through Camille Trees Delight. That is my business page. That is the only social media I'm able to recover. So you can follow me on IG and you can access the GoFundMe link from there.